Hello people, today we have second part of your favorite series ever. Shit from Temu. Amazing tuning from Temu. Highest quality parts. Only here on SPEC. They are so high quality that my tow hook is already off and we will glue it back in together. Today we have something you really liked the last time I did it, but this time I'll try to do it a little better, I think. So first of all, we have major style points that this car needed. It's this package. I will show you. Hell yeah. I will put them outside so they can straighten up because they are curled right now. And I will put them in... wow. Okay, so I put my floor mats on my roof. Look, it's original Momo. Okay, let's open this bitch up. And the main event. I can't bend it. It's good news. I bought the hub for it, but the info about the hub was so limited. It should work, but it probably won't. Okay, so first things first, I gotta disconnect the battery. I don't have an airbag, but I figure I should do it anyway. It doesn't cost me anything, so why not? Look, I even put on a glove so I can look professionally for you. I hope that makes you feel safer. Should be enough, honestly. Alright, so we killed the power. There's no electricity in the car anymore. And now I need to figure out how to remove this. I know there's one screw under there. But other than that, I need to figure it out on my own. So I'll just tell you once I find out. Okay, it took me like 10 minutes to figure out. But there was one screw, as I said, under there. And I thought there were more screws here. So I tried to unscrew them. I took all the fucking ends. And turned out it was just these plugs, or whatever you want to call them. There was only horn wired in. I unplugged it. I might take this off too for the hub, maybe. Okay, so I got to unscrewing this and I saw these welds. And I got worried. I was like, oh shit, this will need a lot of my strength. But it took so little. That's actually fucking kinda scary. Like, my steering wheel was barely bolted in.
And the next trick is called the hospital flip. Why is it called a hospital?
That's so cool. Let's remove her. Okay, so the hub is already on. No bigger problems with that. Now I need to screw the wheel in. Quick job. But I may have to troubleshoot something, because there was the original thing that when you put the turn signal on, it should put it back in. I'm not sure this is gonna work, and I'm not sure this isn't gonna turn on my blinker randomly. Boys and girls, here we are. It's in, but it's not 100% in, because I need to check the blinker thing I told you about. I didn't put this on. I always wondered why don't people put these on if they get it with the hubs. I need to cut some of it because it's too long. It makes it difficult to turn. This changes the look of the whole fucking car, man. As I thought, the blinkers don't work. Okay, so now I'm gonna put these on, but actually first I'm gonna glue this back in. I'm gonna show you something actually. But I tinted the fog lights. It was just stick on, so it was really just like putting a sticker on something. And actually one more thing, I painted my mirrors because they were fucking horrible. They are now black, and I have this. It's just a rain guard. And I don't know if I should install it or not. I'm gonna see how it looks and glue them in if it looks okay. It is done. Ricey as fuck. I love it. This is how this looks. Some of you hate it, and I think it looks better than I expected it to look. And it's more about functionality. If it doesn't work, I can tear it off. No problem with that. I have this left. I don't know what to do with this. It's supposed to go there, but it's too wide for my car. 100 subscribers, and this goes for giveaway. Subscribe.